As you know, the iconic Nike Lake Resort is set for a massive transformation with a 35-year contract, boosting tourism, business and real estate value in Enugu State. Smart investors are already making moves. What are you waiting for? Mayi Kandra Estate is that estate that you should not miss out on right now. So prices have already increased to 16 million naira. Now, Mayi Kandra Estate is situated just behind NCT building in Ibagwa, Nike, opposite Elin Estate and Vivian Estate. And it is just less than 1 minute away from this tiled road. It is very accessible and highly desirable for future development. Now, Mayi Kandra Estate is also 5 minutes away from the Nike Lake Resort. This is one of the advantages of investing in Mayi Kandra Estate today. This land has a secure and well-verified title. Mayi Kandra Estate is a C04 estate and it has an approved layout which is registered with the Ministry of Lands. Now, you are 100% protected from land disputes, making it a stress-free investment for you. Now, unlike many estates that are still in the proposal stage, as you can see, work is actively going on in Mayi Kandra Estate. Now, this estate is already well fenced and gated with security house already in place. The drainage system have already been put here. As you can see in this video, there are already estates inside this estate. Now, inside this Hosanna estate, they have bungalows for sale for 15 million naira, and people have already started building on their plots. Investors, clients have already started securing their own investments by fencing their plots. This estate is going to be one of a kind, and right now is the perfect time for you to take advantage of this current price of 16 million naira. Mayi Kandra Estate is prime for residential and commercial use. Now, whether you're looking to build your dream home or make high rental income, this estate is perfect for you. Now is the perfect time for you to invest in Mayi Kandra Estate. This is a 4-unit terrace duplex inside Mayi Kandra Estate. Now, imagine what is going to happen here in the next 5 years. As a smart investor, right now is the perfect time for you to invest in this estate. Go ahead and call me or WhatsApp me on the number that is displayed on your screen for more details concerning Mayi Kandra Estate and how you can key into this amazing investment opportunity right here in Ibagwa, Nike.